One of the first things to try when you've got some dates, so for example here I've got what looks like dates, but when I try and format them, notice it's not formatting. Similarly here, is a function in Excel called Datevalue, which acts in a very similar way to the value function. So I can go look for it. It's under date and time. It's called Datevalue. And all you have to do is point at the date that's not a valid date. And you'll notice that it takes text, you see the quote marks there, and converts it into a number, which then is a valid Excel date. So I can copy this down. And if I try and format it, you'll notice it changed format. Over here, again, we've got some dates. When I try and format them, it doesn't treat it as a date. Let's see if Datevalue works. I can point there. I can see it's going to work. I can copy it down. And again, I've got proper dates. And if I want, I could then format it back to look like this, but now it's an Excel recognized date. What about this one here? I seem to have 25th of 12th 2009. Let's try the date value. You'll notice I seem to have a problem there. When I do that, I get value messages. So Datevalue is good, but there's some situation where it works, and there's some situations where it doesn't work. And just depending on your regional settings and a number of other factors, there's no surefire way of saying when it or won't work. You just need to experiment with it.